Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 11 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard tap to the switcher, click OK twice and go back. Here click to switch input method and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just tap to OK, so it's finished. Well, let's just check the new keyboard. So as we can see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of this emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.